Hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and this is a fast-paced tutorial on the HiNDU shuffle, highlighting the keynotes on the move. Let's do this.
OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe.
Hold the deck in your dominant hand, clipped mainly between the middle finger and the thumb, pretty much at the inner fourth of the cards from the long sides. The ring finger and pinky support the grip, and the index kind of chills here at the back of the cards. Now, push the deck diagonally into the palm of the left hand, pretty much parallel to the left hand thumb. Then pick up a bunch of cards from the top, clipping them between thumb and middle finger of the left hand. Pull your right hand back again, thus carrying away the package of cards. Have them fall into the palm of the hands and repeat the motion, and you're already shuffling the cards. Now try to keep your left hand thumb in a natural position. Don't bring it up too much, too vertical, just a little bit so that you can pick up the cards from the top of the pack while shuffling the cards. With this technique, you can lock in your pinky here at the inner right corner of the cards, which enables you to aim for a larger motion and also speeding things up quite a bit, which makes this shuffle look so much better, especially for a larger group. And that's it for the HiNDU shuffle in a nutshell. Guys, if you wanna dive deeper into the move, I got an in-depth tutorial up and running on my channel. Also, I wanna invite you to our weekly live card magic jam practice sessions on my very channel. Just get yourself a paperback version of the Royal Road to Card Magic and maybe you lay your hands on one of these beauties. All the links you need you'll find in the info box as well as in the info cards. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is OTHMARIUS and that's just what I do. See you soon, and in the meantime, be rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.